myself, well, really, not really. Fireman, the fireman. What's going on? What's going on? How y'all feeling? How y'all doing? What we doing out here? What's good? What's cracking? What's popping? Yo, thank y'all for joining. We got another crazy shoe here for y'all. We got another crazy shoe here for y'all, yo. When you put it on the map, you gotta put it on the map. Yo, we got the heat maps in the building. Heat maps in the building. If y'all ain't seen them, y'all seen them in the previews, y'all seen them. Y'all just seen them, man. They everywhere, they here, they there. You gotta love them, yo. And I'm telling y'all, these go crazy. Crazy. Y'all ready for this? These go crazy. Bam, 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 bam. Y'all ain't seen them before, y'all see them now. Y'all ain't seen them before, y'all see them now. This is probably one of the best Air Force Ones to release so far. Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me. Bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. The heat maps are here. Now, speaking of these, they have a cousin. And expect that video to come out too. They have a cousin and they go crazy as well. They go crazy as well. Look at that, look at that. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that. You have, first of all, let's get into the colors. So, the colors on these are black, racer blue, bold ice. These are 11 and a half, my size. Not yours, my size. Not yours, my size. They go crazy. They go crazy. This is a painted on. I don't think this is yeah, it's just a heat map though. Like that look crazy on. That look crazy on. They go crazy with the ice bottoms. Ice bottoms are crazy, yo. This is one of them shoes that hit you around at 130 if I'm not mistaken, off the hip. I got these off of Sneaker Politics for the raffle. And I think they are one of the best Air Force Ones to come out this year. One of the best ones. I think the black and the heat map signatures on here around the laces. You have a star on the eyelet, the tip there. I don't know if y'all can see them there. And you just got a lot of details in this shoe. Like I said, that icy bottom. It's a lot of details in this shoe. I think they could have did different with the laces, but that's just me. They wanted to bring that blue to life because the tongue is blue. They didn't do nothing on the insole. I'm sorry, not the insole, but the pattern in the inside, which is the insole, yeah. They didn't do nothing in the inside, but I think this is a dope, clean shoe that you can get off with a lot of different stuff. I like the bottom here. Man, it contrasts and it just stands out in so many different ways to make you want this shoe, make you want to grab this shoe. So when I seen it, I seen this cousin first, and I said I gotta have a cousin. And then these dropped, and I was like, ooh, these came first. And they pushed the other ones back. But I've been seeing the other ones on TikTok. The other ones on TikTok, I'll put a clip right here. Or a picture right here of the other ones. Just know that video is coming soon too. Coming soon, coming soon. But for right now, we got the heat maps. And if you like these, make sure you leave a comment, you subscribe. Make sure you like the video and share it with your people, man. Share it with your people. Do what you can. Let's get this video. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. We're going to ask for 50 likes. Can we get 50 likes? Just tap that screen. 50 likes. But yeah, man. This is the heat maps. Any information I can get on these, if they still out there, I will put it in the description. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all be blessed. Love somebody. Hey, wear what you like, man. Wear what you like. And on that note, we out. Y'all stay blessed.